reached the end of our series on digital transformation. I sincerely hope that by joining me over the last 7 weeks, you have gained knowledge and overall comfort with this buzz term. Today, I would like to summarize all of the content that we have learned about digital transformation following the 5 W's and 1 H method. Think of it as digital transformation: who, what, when, where, why, and how. Let's start with the who. Nope, I do not mean the 60s rock band, but instead, who is involved in your digital transformation? The obvious answer is you and your organization, which is true, but the question of who extends beyond that. What about your ratepayers and clients who will benefit from your digital advancements that were implemented with the focus of adding value for them? They will be better enabled with greater access to your services and elevated communication with your organization. What about the ones involved in helping you plan and prepare your roadmap and assessing the capabilities of your technical infrastructure? Your trusted IT professionals. Just as importantly, what about your employees who will not only be adopting and adjusting to these new technologies, but who will be benefiting from increased efficiency and the opportunity of mobility? You will be empowering them with highly effective tools. Everyone has slightly different roles at different times in your transformation journey, but all are involved on some level at some point. Let's move on to the what. What is digital transformation? It's modernizing your business model, services, and corporate culture by integrating current digital technologies and tools in an ongoing process. What are other organizations doing to modernize their services? Taking a look around at similar businesses or municipalities will help decipher which tools and technologies are proving to be a good investment of time and money for your own operations. Some advancements that I often come across are organizations moving to the cloud, automating redundant tasks, enhancing cybersecurity, revamping websites, sometimes to include automated chatbots, investing in quality backup and recovery, using data for risk assessment and service prediction, reducing paper use by shifting to digital tools or moving to soft phone systems. The list goes on. When? When should you transform? The answer is in conjunction with and on the proposed schedule of your detailed digital transformation roadmap, of course. When will you see the benefits or return on investment of the new initiatives? In most cases, you will start seeing the benefits almost immediately. For example, if you make the modernizations to go paperless, you will immediately be saving on paper usage and printing costs. And after proper adoption, you will see increased productivity as people have the ability and tools to immediately share documentations with each other instead of waiting to disperse physical paper copies. Also, with respect to the when, don't forget this modernization is an ongoing commitment of adoption and driving use of these precisely thought out digital technologies. There is no end date. Where? When we talk about the where, I do not necessarily mean physical location. Although, if we could just scoop everything up and digitally transform in Hawaii, I would be a part of that roadmap planning team. What I actually mean is, where in your organization can you focus your transformations? What areas or departments? The answer is all of them. In fact, part of your roadmap planning should take focus on each individual area of your organization and their processes, then determine the best tools to empower and increase their productivity. For example, your admin department can benefit from moving to the cloud or adopting tools to better communicate and collaborate. If you are a municipality, your public works can benefit from adopting mobility tools and therefore increase the ability to easily share information to and from other departments. Why? Why should your organization embrace digital transformation? The cold hard truth is that this is the direction most organizations are aiming the future of their operations. With the accessibility of technology all around us, our customers and employees are becoming accustomed to the comforts of having ways to communicate with us or request services at their fingertips. The benefits of providing these digital comforts not only meet the demands of your ratepayers and clients, but also enhance operations in your organization and increase readiness for future technology advancements. How? By integrating digital tools and technologies, which increase efficiency, streamline operations, and reduce costs. I have mentioned many tools throughout this series, such as Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, and Planner. How do you plan your digital transformation? By putting focus on the 4 key drivers: engaging your customers and citizens, empower your employees and government workers, optimize your operations, and transforming your products and services. Now, how do you know if your efforts to optimize your operations are benefiting your organization? It is a good idea to use metrics such as client retention, citizen satisfaction, profitability, or productivity to measure these successes. How can digital technologies contribute to your long-term business goals? This is a great question to ask your team while creating your digital transformation roadmap. Well, friends, this is the end of our digital transformation education series. I would like to remind you one last time that you don't have to do this alone. Just give us a call and we can help with your planning, assessing, adoption, training, and more. I have had a wonderful time shedding light on this topic and want you to remember, don't be intimidated by digital transformation. Embrace it.